Hello and welcome to the new tutorial. First of all, we are going to select the object using the object selection tool, and then finalize our selection by refining it. When the refining is finishing, then we should need to expand the selection. So for this, modify and then expand. I am going to add 40 pixels according to my image. Now, the next step is select M tool or any selection tool. I am going to select M. And now right click it and select make work path. Set as default and hit OK. Now, from this menu, select solid color and set any color and hit OK. Now we have a shape, so just we need to set no fill for the fill, and for the outline we need some color, style as dashes, and width as required, and then hit manage option, more options, and set dashes space and size. As you can see, we have a bigger dashes, so we set it again by going to more options. Here you can see more option and set it to 6 or something as you want, then hit OK and choose any color for your outline. And this is the simplest way to add dash lines or dash stroke around any image or space and path. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you very much. We'll be with you soon.